Man, look at the difference, man. That looks so much better. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another one. Today we're going to be working on the Caprice again, and I'm going to show you how the center console is looking. I didn't even show you how it looked when it was wired up. Hold on real quick. All right, it's in the car. It's in the car already. So flip this. See how the Alpine lights up blue? Cup holders light up blue. Got the iPad on. I know a lot of y'all been asking like how I like that Alpine. It's pretty straight, man. The only thing is like getting the device, the Bluetooth device connected, like pair them, you know what I mean? It's kind of a hassle. I don't know why they made it like that. You could just watch whatever. So that's how it's looking. The brown matched up pretty good. It's a little bit lighter, but it looks pretty straight. But I'm gonna pause this before it gets copyrighted. Yeah, we don't need that copyright, but that's how it's looking. I was thinking about putting some speakers here, but maybe in the future. But yeah, that's how it's looking. But today we're gonna be putting on the trim on the Caprice, because after I painted it, I never put it back on. So we're gonna put in the trim that goes right here. I got it all back here in the trunk. I'm gonna clean it up before I put it on. And then if you see here, there's like little tiny holes. I have the rivets for that. I'll rivet it back in. I'm gonna do both sides right now. And if the hole's like too small, I even got the drill bits. I bought a whole drill bit set. So this is the drill bit set I got. This is the size. These are the rivets. Kind of like go off the thickness of it. So that's about right there. Some of the holes are already drilled, but some of them are not. So I'm gonna go ahead and drill out the ones that need to be drilled out. I'll catch you back on there. All right, gang. So I got the trim lined up where they go. That one goes there. This one goes there. This one goes in the back door. This one goes in the back. You can tell by the amount of holes. This one has 4 holes. And right here, as you can see in this door, that's 1, 2, 3, 4 holes. And then this brown stuff, it comes out. This brown rubber, this. I'm gonna take it off because it's obviously not gonna match the color brown with gray. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it off and I'm gonna paint them probably like a little bit darker gray so it can match. But let me drill these holes out real quick. All right, gang, I put these 2 on already. There's a little issue with the rivet gun. When you're trying to put it in, it doesn't go in all the way because of this little bevel on this trim. So I figured out a way. If you notice that this tip for the rivets is smoothed out from the top and bottom. It's not supposed to be like that. I had to do that. You see how these heads are? They're like hexagons. See? On this one, I grinded it. Let me see if I can focus. I grinded it on the top and bottom, so that way it's like skinnier and it can fit in between there, like that. So that way you can rivet it properly, because if not, it's gonna be loose. This one's a little loose because I didn't do it like that, but it should hold on though. It's a little tip, guys. But I'm gonna keep going that way, and I cut you back on when it's done. All right, gang, I got this side on already. Man, look at the difference, man. That looks so much better. That's how it's looking. Go ahead and jump in the other side and do the same thing. I cut it back on right now. But man, it's looking clean. All right, now that I got all the trim on, gang, I'm gonna go ahead and go buy some paint to paint these rubber things that go inserted in here, because brown, it's not gonna cut it with this color. So this is the original color, so I'm gonna go ahead and get some paint or something that I could, I think it's like rubber, and I'm gonna try to match it up to that gray or a little bit darker. But I cut you back on. I'm about to go to the store. All right, gang, I'm back, and check out what I found. Look at how close I got it. Look at that. It's pretty close, huh? I'm gonna pull out the car, and then I'm gonna set up those little horses. I'm gonna start painting all these little rubber things. I'm gonna clean them first. And it's like it says flexible, and those things are kind of like rubbery, so you should be straight right here. Cut you back on right now. All right, guys, I got it all cleaned up and dried up. Here they are, and I'm about to spray them right now. All right, first coat, light. Oh, this is like not the shiny kind, what they call it, like a matte paint. So I didn't want it too shiny. First coat. All right, I'm gonna let that dry, then we'll give it a second coat. All right, so the second coat. Yeah, I think that should be good right there. 2 coats, a little straight. All right, now I'm gonna put in the car so I can start installing them. Cause I ain't about to install them out there. It's like 100 degrees out there. Alright gang, this is the front one of the car. The front trim. So I got the new rivets in right there, right there. This is the trim piece. It's already painted. Let's see if it just snaps on. Or do I need to slide it? Okay, I think I got it. Just push it right here in the groove. Just push it in. Alright, I'm gonna need two hands. So I'm gonna put this phone down real quick. Alright, there it is, gang. It goes in. You just need to push it kind of hard. Yeah. Already brings it out. That's without the gray piece. That's with it. It's kind of black, but it's dark gray. Because that's the color I actually want to do the top. So that's why I did it a darker gray. I'm going to go ahead and put all of them on, guys. We'll cut you back on. Alright, guys. I went ahead and installed all of it. Looks a lot better. I'm about to wash it right now so you can see what's up. Y'all know about these. Alright. About to move that big truck out of the way.